Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change cell color of table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change cell color of table. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Table option and insert a table. Now we want to change the cell color. Select some cell or single cell. Now I select the single cell. Then go to the table design menu. Then click fill drop down menu and choose any color. Now I select the orange color. Then click outside of the table. And we can see we change cell color of this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.